Welcome YouTube. I am going to change out this motor pulse motor controller. If you've got a GM, mostly trucks, that you turn on the mister like that and the wipers go and they don't stop, that's what it is right there. So you can fix it apparently, but it costs $25 to buy a new one. So I did that. So you got to take that out, like I just did. Use a screwdriver under there, lifted that up, pulled it out. This big cable in the way for the cruise control. And then you've got some T12, which I cannot get to, so I'm gonna have to use a socket. So I'll be back. Okay, let me make sure this is recording here. Yeah, we're recording. We'll cut that part out. So I got this, ratchet. I couldn't get the driver down in there. Should have known that. So you just got to take these. There's 3 of them. I probably should get a step to stand on. My truck's the ZR2, so it's kind of high. And I'm always just a little too short. So hopefully we won't drop these. There's a 1. And there's 1 back here, of course. It's gotta be. I need to get a ladder. I'll be back. Okay. So I got a step. This is not the easiest thing to do here. Especially if you're well endowed like me. Work on my core work here. Oh, that does no good to have a light like that. Let's put her back. There we go. Once you break it loose, you can just use the socket to finger it. Pardon the expression. Just don't want to drop that screw because I know it'll go into Neverman's land down there, never to be seen again. There's 2. And it looks like there's one right dead in the center right here. It's really hard, of course. All these modern tools and still I can't even see what I'm doing here. I'll cut all this part out. Why am I having a hard time here? Come on. There we go. So just use the socket here. Okay. And that's exactly what I didn't want to happen. So we're missing a screw now. That is down there somewhere. never to be seen again. It's probably sitting on the back of the bell housing there. Somewhere. Just noticed I'm missing a bolt down there. I don't know what went there. So let's see if we can lose this last one. Where is it? Is there another one? Maybe not. It may have been the last one. No, that was the last one. So that sucker just comes off there. Dirty. I may put some more Schmegma sealer on there. Further waterproof it, since I lost a screw, and I'm going to have to go on a search for that screw when I turn the camera off, because I kind of need it. And I'm not seeing it right now. I'm guessing it's back there behind the engine on the bell housing or whatever. So this will just basically slide right out of there like so. And there you have it. And it's covered in grease. I don't know why. I guess because there's grease in the motor back there, but I don't think you need grease on that there thing. So I am going to search high and low for that screw off camera, and then I'll come back. Okay, I looked in my kit and they gave you screws, so I'm okay. I don't have to search for that one. I'll find it someday. So that you take your replacement board here and he just slides her up in there like so. Ouch, it poked me. It hurted. No, I don't want it to fall out of there. Stay. Seems like there's like a spring or something pushing it out. Stay, please. Don't fall. And they even give you a new cover and screws, so I'll use one of the old screws to... Oh, I was going to put some dielectric grease around there just as an insurance policy, which I shall do thusly. I don't know if water is what caused the other one. Well, I guess you can solder the old one to fix it. I just got a new one. I figure the technology has changed since 2000. Maybe this one's better. So I put a little grease on there, and I believe it goes this way. And now the trick is going to be holding it on there. And starting the screw without dropping it. That's why I'm using one of the old ones, because if I drop a new one, I will be very put out with myself. It doesn't want to go in there. Having a very hard time getting it started. Try my left hand. That strategy seems to have paid off. Sweating. Highly sweating here. So, yeah. That is started. So let me get the other ones. Hear the birds in the background. Some parakeets are mocking me. I think I'm gonna go without the glove because it is just a bunch of sweat, and this way I can feel the screw better. Famous last words. I'm gonna try this middle one. Okay, I think that's in there. Don't move. Don't breathe. Okay, 2 out of 3. We're on a roll. Should have worn my sweatband. One more screw. Oh, I gotta take these gloves off. It's nothing but sweat. I sure know how to get people to watch my channel, don't I? Sweaty hands. Let's watch that sweaty hand guy work on his car. That'd be great. I'm afraid to let go of this one. All I need is to drop the socket. Just something about this area, it'll just go down there and it'll never be seen again. I changed the rotor cap one time and I dropped I changed out my distributor once and I dropped the distributor bolt back there and I never could find it. I had to go to the dealership and I got 3 more. And I did that on purpose because I dropped 2 more of them back there and they're still on there somewhere if they haven't fallen off. So we got that. Gotta switch the old over. Come on, ratcheting mechanism thing. Oh my gosh. I haven't been making videos because I don't know about where you live, but here it is 112 degrees every stinking day. And I can't get on that one. And I'm hurting my back trying, so I'm going to give up for a second. Go to this one. And it's very humid today, so not only is it hot, but I'm also sweating like something that sweats a lot. Which I don't know what else sweats a lot besides sweaty humans. People always say pigs, but I don't think pigs sweat. Not a pig expert. Okay, that's tight enough, I believe. Let's try one more time to get on this one. I don't know if I'm on it or not. Doesn't look like it. Oh, it really hurts my back. Whatever I'm doing here, okay. That is on it. Now to get this in there. Okay, I believe that's tight enough. It's just plastic. I don't want to get crazy. I want to get nuts. So we just plug our plugger in, back in. Nice solid click. And I shall go try it. Well, the hood blocks the wipers, so let me clean all this stuff off of here. You can listen to the bird chirp while I do that. And then I'll just take you in the truck with me. Okay, let's try it again.
Before the people, there had never, ever been such a government before. The miracle of America
Works.
is not that perfect men created a perfect union.
Turn that off. Got some grease on my knuckles. Look at that. Okay, so that was it. Try it again. Watch this action here. Does it just twice. And that's it. We will see you on the next one.